Welcome to Ruperi Computer Science and Career Institute. Our today's topic is derivatives and their applications. So, derivatives. Derivatives definition. Let y is equal to fx be the given function if limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus fx divided by h exists. Then we say that the function fx has derivative at x and is denoted by f dash x or dy upon dx. dy upon dx means the rate of change of y with respect to x or the derivative of y with respect to x. For example, dd upon dp. dd upon dp, that is equal to the rate of change of demand d with respect to price p. Now we learn derivatives of standard function. Derivatives of standard functions. Here some standard formulas, that is, first, if y is equal to x raised to n, where n is a real number, then dy upon dx is equal to n x raised to n minus 1 is equal to n x raised to n minus 1. You have to remember this formula, right? You have to remember that x raised to n is derivative is n x raised to n minus 1. Now second, y is equal to c, where c is a constant. Then you know the constant function has derivative is 0. How the constant function has derivative is 0? Let me see. I write y is equal to c in another way. That is, y is equal to c into x raised to 0. See, always the number raised to 0, that is number raised to power is 0, then the value is 1. Therefore, y is equal to c into x raised to 0 means y is equal to c only, right? Now we use in our derivatives. See, dy upon dx, therefore dy upon dx is equal to c into d upon dx of x raised to 0. c into d upon dx of x raised to 0. That is equal to c into x रेस टू 0 है ना, उसका डेरिवेटिव क्या हो जाएगा 0 x रेस टू 0 minus 1 ना. Therefore it is equal to c into 0 x raised to 0 minus 1 is equal to c into 0 x raised to 0 minus 1. Now say c into 0 is 0 and 0 into x raised to 0 minus 1 is also 0. Therefore whole thing is 0. That is equal to 0. Right? Therefore, if y is equal to c, where c is a constant, then dy upon dx is equal to 0. dy upon dx is equal to 0. You understand? Follow this? See, already the constant function has derivative 0 in the formula, but I have just explained you how it should be. Right? Now third, if y is equal to e raised to x, then dy upon dx is equal to e raised to x. that is any function y is equal to e raised to x has derivative is e raised to x only, right? You have to just remember these. These are the formulas. Okay. Next, fourth, if y is equal to log x, where x is greater than 0, then dy upon dx. See, log x derivative is 1 upon x. Therefore, dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon x. Okay. Next, fifth, if y is equal to a raised to x, where a is a positive real number, then dy upon dx is equal to a raised to x into log a is equal to a raised to x into log a. So these all formulas you have to remember to solve the derivatives. For example, now we solve some examples. For example, 1 y is equal to x raised to 3. Now see, solving the derivatives, you have to write a statement, differentiate with respect to x. Then you start solving the derivatives. Therefore, solution, then after I write the statement is differentiate with respect to x. Always you write this statement to solving the derivatives, right? Therefore, dy upon dx is equal to d upon dx of x raised to 3. D upon dx of x raised to 3. Now, next step, therefore dy upon dx is equal to 3 x raised to 3 minus 1. Our first rule, just we learn, no? That is, therefore it is equal to 3 x raised to 3 minus 1, right? Therefore, dy upon dx is equal to 3 x raised to 2, that is 3x square, right? This is your answer of the given question. Now next question, second, y is equal to root x. Now y is equal to root x, in another way you write as root x is write as 1 upon 2, x raised to 1 upon 2, that is root x is write as x raised to 1 upon 2. Now solving the examples, first we write the statement differentiate with respect to x. You understand, no? Y is equal to root x, means y is equal to root x is equal to what? X raised to 1 upon 2, this, okay? Therefore, dy upon dx is equal to d upon dx of x raised to 1 upon 2. D upon dx of x raised to 1 upon 2. Therefore, dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon 2 x raised to 1 upon 2 minus 1. Same, our first rule we apply, right? Now, therefore, next statement, therefore dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon 2 into x raised to minus 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 into x raised to minus 1 upon 2. Now, this x raised to minus 1 upon 2 we write as what? X raised to minus 1 upon 2. We write as what? 1 upon x raised to 1 upon 2, right? जो कि डिनोमिनेटर में जाएगा तो उसका पावर जो है वो प्लस होता है, तो इट शुड बी 1/2 ऐसा ही लिख सकते हैं, राइट. एंड x⁻² मीन्स व्हाट, रूट x ना. देयरफॉर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप में आपका जो आंसर आएगा 1/√2 1/2 therefore dy/dx is equal to 1/√2x 1/2 root x. Okay, 1/2 root x. Okay, now next question, third. Y is equal to 4 raised to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. Therefore dy/dx is equal to d/dx of x raised to 4. d/dx of x raised to 4. Therefore dy/dx is equal to 4 raised to x into log 4. 4 raised to x into log 4. This is your final answer. Now question number 4. Y is equal to x raised to minus 2. Now solution. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore dy/dx is equal to I directly write minus 2 x raised to minus 3 is equal to minus 2 x raised to minus 3. This is your answer. So this way we have to solve the derivatives. Therefore these formulas 1 to 5 you have to remember to solve the derivatives. Okay, today's enough. Thank you.